Friends, there are about 4 lakh species of trees and plants around the world. Among them there are some trees whose secrets have not been discovered by scientists till date. There are many such trees and plants on Earth, which are considered divine and miraculous. There are also many such trees that cry like humans, ask for food and reach one place to another by walking on their own. In today's video, we are going to talk about 10 such strange trees whose behavior and expertise will shake your mind. So stay tuned till the end of the video because the video is going to be very interesting. Glow in the dark forest. If you go to the state of Goa or Maharashtra in the western Ghats of India, then you will get to see a unique plant in the forests there, which burns like a glowing bulb at night. This plant is also known as Mycena. This tree is a kind of mushroom species. Whenever there is a lot of moisturizer in the forests at night, then this mushroom starts glowing like light. After seeing this, it seems as if the whole forest has started glowing like a light. The property present in such plants is called bioluminescence. Such plants have been shown in James Cameron's very famous movie Avatar, in which such plants glow. Living roots bridge tree. Friends, most bridges around the world are made of iron, concrete, or steel, but there is a bridge in Meghalaya which is made of living roots of trees, that is, a bridge which is made of living trees. The roots of the trees are so strongly entangled with each other that more than 50 people can walk on this bridge together, and many such bridges are present in Meghalaya. Some are built over rivers, some over big valleys, and some are double-decker bridges as well. The most special thing is that they are very strong and can last for a long time. Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall, so the iron bridges built here will rust, the wooden bridges will rot, but this bridge will continue to run comfortably for many years. The people who built it are from the Khasi tribe there, who first use bamboo sticks and very carefully allow the roots of the trees to come on it. After a few years those roots become so strong that this bridge can run comfortably for many years. This living root bridge is one of the most unique bridges in the world. Traveler tree Madagascar. This beautiful tree found in the country of Madagascar is known as traveler tree or east-west palm. The most special thing about this tree is that its leaves fill up with a lot of water, which is used by the people coming and going to drink water, and perhaps this is the reason why it has been named traveler tree. The structure of this tree is like a hand fan, which looks quite different and interesting. There are huge banana-like leaves on the branches of this tree. The height of this tree is up to 23 feet and its leaves can grow up to about 36 feet, and water is stored in every leaf of this tree. These trees are found in some other countries besides Madagascar. Mandrake tree. This plant found in Africa is known as mandrake tree. Its roots look exactly like a human being. The most unique feature of this plant is that whenever it is uprooted from the ground or cut, the sound of a child crying comes from it, that too at a very high speed. Scientists say that when these plants need water or any other thing, they make a sound, but this sound is ultrasonic waves and its pitch is so high, due to which humans cannot hear it directly. Let us tell you that you will also get to see a similar tree in the Harry Potter movie. If you have seen this plant in that movie, then definitely tell us by commenting. Skeleton tree Dead Valley. Friends, Dead Valley is the name of barren land made of white soil, which is found in the country of Namibia. Let us tell you that the name Dead Valley means a dead valley because this place is completely barren. Because of this it has been given this name. This place is situated between two big sand dunes, whose height is 1,352 feet. What makes this place special is these trees, which are called skeletons of trees. However, this place was not always like this. 1,000 years ago, a big river used to flow here, due to which the environment here was also green, but due to a sudden change in the temperature here, this place gradually became barren, due to which the environment here became dry and only the skeletons of those old trees survived which used to be alive till 1,000 years ago. Bujum tree. Bujum tree is a desert plant, also known as cereos, which is found in a small area of Mexico. This tree, which is up to 15 meters long, looks like a thin and upside-down carrot. In the eyes of scientists, this tree is quite mysterious because this tree does not have any kind of branch. Its leaves come out through small thorny twigs. The structure of this tree is thick from the bottom, and as it grows up, it becomes a little thin and finally yellow flowers bloom at the top. These trees are so thin along with being tall that sometimes they bend due to strong wind. Mangrove tree. Friends, these trees grow around the sea coast. A whole forest of this mangrove tree is found in Indonesia. Now let's know about its specialty. Friends, you should know that the sea water is salty and the soil around it is also marshy, and trees never grow in salty and marshy places because there is not enough oxygen there. But the mangrove tree present in the world is one such tree, which grows very strongly in such places. Some of its roots are upwards and some are inside the water. There are some small holes in its upper roots, through which they take nutrients from the air and deliver them to the roots below. This tree is very strong, due to which it strengthens the sea coasts. There is a ban on cutting this tree all over the world, because it works to strengthen the sea coasts, so that the soil there does not get eroded after being hit by big waves of the sea. Wisteria flower. Friends, this is one of the most beautiful trees in the world. If you have seen the movie Avatar, then you must have recognized this tree. The name of this tree is wisteria, on which pink flowers grow. But in some trees, these flowers also grow in blue color. It takes 15 years for this tree to grow completely and this flower to bloom completely, and this tree is found in the countries of Japan. The size of its flowers is so long that they almost touch the ground. More than 350 wisteria trees are planted in Japan's Ashikaga Flower Park. When the lights are lit in the park, the view there is worth seeing. A large number of tourists go to Japan every year to see this view. People believe that the trees shown in the movie Avatar are inspired by the wisteria flower. Sheepworm tree. Friends, actually it is not a tree, but still it is called shipworm tree. Actually it is a worm known as dreadnought. These worms actually live in water. Whenever they are about to kill, they go and sit in the trunks of trees present inside the water and make a hole inside it, and their shape in the burrow is quite unique. Let us tell you that many people eat this shell worm with great gusto, because they believe that it may look like a worm but its taste is exactly like a clam. If you ever go to Thailand, then you will find this worm openly there. The people there take out wood from the rivers which has a hole. After that they cut that wood and take out the sheep worm from inside it. Some people take it for themselves, while some people earn a good profit by selling it in the market. The manchineel tree. Friends, this tree is also known as ayubukai. This tree has a special world record to its name. You will not believe it, but according to scientists, it is counted among the most dangerous trees in the world, in whose name the world record is registered. This tree is also called the tree of anger. The leaves of this tree are small and round, and it bears fruits just like an apple. Even the smell of this fruit is exactly like an apple, and its taste is also exactly like an apple when eaten. But let us tell you that it is not an apple. If any person eats this fruit, it will feel exactly like an apple and will also enjoy after eating it. But after a few minutes of eating, first the person's face will start turning red. After that the person's body will keep aching for hours, the throat will start swelling, and some people also start having difficulty in breathing, and many people even die. This tree is considered very dangerous. And wherever this tree is, a notice board has also been put up by the government to stay away from this tree. Another most special thing about this tree is that whenever it rains, the rainwater becomes like acid after hitting this tree, which can burn the skin of any person after falling on him. So friends, this was another interesting video of ours. Friends, if you have come this far in the video, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel, because our channel is just a few days away from getting 1,000 subscribers, so subscribe immediately. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation, and please tell us in the comment from where you are watching this video.